Hi, I'm Margaret Miller Guide, and today I want to share with you a really interesting study. It was done a few years ago. I just happened to find it. And what they did is they took one part of what's called the 8 Brocade. It's a Qigong sequence, and they took the last one and they modified it. And they had individuals do it 3 times a day, 7 times each time. And over the course of the study, it was really exciting. They were able to gain bone and observe bone mineral density changes, improvements in both the spine and the hip. And with people hunkering down, and with winter coming for one, but also with COVID and not being so comfortable being out and about, I wanted to find ways that I could share with you to keep your bones strong, to keep you strong. And I thought this was just really lovely. It built on the heel drops that you're familiar with, that we've done before. So it's just taking it one more step, kind of integrating the squats as well, which is really nice. And so yeah, let's get started. You want to find a comfortable spot. You want to find a place and an environment that feels good for you. One of the things that in this study they did was they had people stand in just a little mini squat position with arms relaxed by their side, and for the first 2 minutes to just bring a gentle smile to their face and to let your worries leave your mind, to focus on the positive things, the things that we have to be grateful for, the loved ones in our life, the sun that's shining, so the sheets, the warm showers that we get to enjoy, whatever it is that brings you joy in your life, just allow that thought to fill your mind. Allow, as I said earlier, the gentle smile to cover your face. And over the next minute, you're going to just be thinking about that supporting stance that's holding you, the base of your big toe, fifth toe, center of your heels. Lovely. All right. Nice long alignment through your body. And the movement that was done is with your palms reaching to the sky. You're going to, similar to the energy trees, you're going to be reaching the arms up. But as we reach the arms up, we're going to rise onto the balls of our feet. So we're rising onto the balls of the feet. So there's a great balance. Now, as we come down, we're going to drop as we do with heel drops. So you come back into this little gentle squat. And coming up, inhale, and down. You might just start with 1 or 2 of these, knowing that your goal is to do 7. That's 3, and 4, and you know where it goes. So you would gradually build to 7 of them. In the study, individuals would bend their knees somewhere, between 135 degrees, which is about here, and 70 degrees, which is just a little bend. So it's not a big squat. You're just helping absorb as you come down the forces. And that was essentially what the study looked at. And so the important thing in this study is that even though they did 7 3 times a day, it's not the same as doing 21 all at once. Because we know with animal studies, and now with this particular study, that the more frequent you can stimulate your bones, the better. So, just as with our walking blog that we talked about, where, you're better off to go, if you have an hour to dedicate on walking, you're better off to go for 3 20-minute walks or 6 10-minute walks than to just do 1 hour all at once. And in the same way, I really loved how in this study they went, okay, we're going to do 7 3 times a day. So, it's a beautiful way to to start your meal, to give thanks and go into a little bit of calmness and peacefulness, and then doing 7 heel drops before your meal. Very nice. So some way, in ways that, when you're integrating movement into your life, this would be a great way. But also knowing that if you don't have the energy to do all of your exercises that you want to do all at once, it's actually better for your bones to do them spread throughout the day. So that's all I want to share with you today. I wish you a good day. Stay safe. Be well. I'm Margaret at Guide.